Hello, welcome to this video. With the help of this video, you will get to know what are the required information that you can collect, and many of them you can analyze by your own to troubleshoot TSIM Oracle database performance issues. These are the key pointers to find out the culprit. If the hardware prerequisites are not met, in case if the tuning is missing, you can run the health check tool to find out or check any critical or errors. You can run the Oracle schema pre-install check.sql script to verify if the Oracle parameters are tuned as per the recommendations. You can refer the Oracle guidelines or advisory for each of the parameters. For an example, redo log switch rate. We will have a short glimpse of the Bmc documentation and available KS. Here, the first doc explains about the hardware requirement based upon the environment type, small, medium and large. In this document, you will see the tuning requirement or recommendations for the Oracle database. This is a knowledge article which helps in downloading the latest health check tool, which generates the health check report, and its report may contains any critical error or warnings which should be fixed as per the suggestion mentioned. Once you download the latest health check tool, run the HCL script and the report will be generated, and it is just look like this one. Here in this there are a validation types for the database. For an example, log switch rate. The size of the redo log files can influence the performance because the behavior of the database writer and archiver processes depends on the redo log file size. Generally, larger redo log files provide a better performance. Undersized log files increase the checkpoint activity and reduce the performance. The thumb rule is the number of the switches of the redo log file size should not be more than 2 per hour. The minimum size that needs to be a 4 MB and the maximum size of the individual redo log file size can be 2 TB. This is totally depend on the OS supported max size. These are the different type of a database validation check. For the instance count, the severity shows info. In case if the severity is error, warning or the critical, you need to take action as per the given instruction in user section column. Here, the database SGA settings. In case if the severity is error, warning or critical, you need to work with your DBA team to fix them all. Same way, here are the Oracle system parameters, which are the severity is low, therefore info. In case if it has a warning, error or critical, you need to work with your DBA team to fix them all, and you can refer the section called user action into the HCT report. Same way, you need to check the tables-based check. In case if it says error, warning or critical, you need to work with your DBA to fix them all. Here are the few validation check for the MFDs. Here the severity is info. In case if it shows error, critical or warning, you need to take appropriate action as mentioned into the user action table or column. Even though the script is one of the prerequisites, it can be possible that the system parameters might be changed by the DBA team for so and so reason. We need to set back as per the BMC recommendation. The script itself has a description on how to run it. I will show you how you can run the Oracle schema pre-install check.sql. I have copied Oracle schema pre-install check.sql file into the directory where I have given a full permission. I will go to the SQL prompt, SQL plus as sysdba. Here I will run Oracle schema pre-install check.sql, the default user, name of the report, and the environment version. You can see that the report is generated at the same directory from where we have logged into the SQL prompt. I will exit here. The report will be generated. This is the report which looks like this. Here it says the product version 11.3.04. You need to see in case if any error or warnings. For example, for the table space size details, here for one of the table space it says not supported and should be greater than 3972. This type of errors or warnings you need to fix with the help of your DBA team. For example, the SGA max size, SGA target, memory target, memory max size, everything that you need to set as per the BMC recommendations. Database user system privilege. You can see that for this table space, the privilege are not provided. For this reason, you need to work with your DBA team to fix this. Rest of them are okay. As you can see that the system role or the privileges are not provided for this table or view. DBA team can help and provide the required permissions. Overall, you need to go through the complete report and you need to verify with your DBA team in case if any warnings, errors or the critical errors. In case after fixing all the errors, warnings or criticals suggested by HCT report or SQL report, you are continue to see the Oracle performance database issues. Please collect the complete report folder of the HCT tool report generated from the Oracle schema pre-install check.sql script. Generate the dump using the pwdump1 command from the affected TSIM and raise a case with the BMC customer support. Thank you for watching. This concludes my video.